Just be gentle.
Missy.
Missy just wants to play. She'll let you pet her. She's not as skittish in here as she was outside.
Yeah. It's because she knows what a house is.
Oh, I think so too. So did you get a
You
snack?
have a nuclear dye.
She's dirty. She's going to have a bath. Oh my God, we got 3 dogs. What you think about that, Missy?
That's exactly 3 more than I wanted.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, you wanted Trixie.
No, Lindsay wanted Trixie. And then Ryan brought Missy. And then, I don't know, she just showed up. Good girl, honey. Good girl.